Hi, my name is Ashish, and I welcome you back to the part 3 of Deploy a Node.js web app on AWS. In the previous video, we created attached the policies to the already configured role, AWS Elastic Beanstalk EC2 role, and now we are going to proceed with the third step, which says deploy the sample application. All right, now your environment is ready for you to deploy the sample application. To do it, then run it. We have already downloaded this zip file. To deploy the source bundle, open the Elastic Beanstalk console. We are already there. Exit out of it. This is the Elastic Beanstalk console. And now we have to go to the management page. Dashboard. You see upload and deploy. Browse the zip file that we created. Let's see how it is. Let me look for it. I'll come back. Here is that file. I uploaded it, clicked on deploy. Let's see if this deploys or not. I didn't extracted it using the application that they mentioned. It says Elastic Beanstalk is updating your environment. Environment update is starting, successfully launched. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to pause the video and come back. I got a new message. It says deploying new versions to instances. So either you can use CI/CD if you're not directly up. Let's say if you have a package. Now, if you want to do like big companies, big software gets the code updated every now and then using Docker or using Jenkins, which uses CI/CD. Then you would have to create a new build, or you can use code deploy, code commit, and code pipeline of Amazon to do it. And if you directly upload the zip file, you can do it from here. Environment update completed successfully. That's wonderful. Let's click on this link just to check how it's showing. Amazing. So when we deployed the code, this is what it was mentioned that we would be seeing, and we are seeing that. Okay, fine. Till here it's working fine. Let's see what it says next. It says that right now the Amazon SNS topic is configured with a placeholder email for the notification. We'll update it later. It says open the tables page in the DynamoDB console. Okay, let's go to the DynamoDB console. In the AWS. So if you're not sure in where you'll get the DynamoDB console, just click on services, click on Dynamo, and it'll take you to the same window. I used the URL that is mentioned in the documentation, so don't worry about it. It will open up the same thing. Perfect. This is the DynamoDB table. So these are the tables. This was a table that was created by the stack that we deployed. So this is the table. It says tables page. Find the table that the application created. The name start with AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Okay. AWS Elastic Beanstalk, and perfect. And contains startup signups table. See, this is the startup signups table. Table name is this. This is the DynamoDB. I don't think they have configured backups. It is all created by default. Perfect. So select the table, choose item, and then choose start search to view all the items in the table. Choose item and then choose start search. Items. Start search. It is, I don't think, because there is nothing mentioned in here. Email, because nobody has. If I say sign up today, let's do it. I say no, sign up. I have signed up. So if I go here to my DynamoDB, refresh it, I have this entry, right? So it is working fine. Let's see what it says now. So it is the by default topic that they have created. So if I go to the my SNS page, same way, if you're not sure, click in here, type in SNS, it will take you to simple notification service console under the AWS. All right. I have only one topic that is created by the stack. It is my topic. Subscriptions to one pending confirmation, right? So they have sent an email to me and I have not. Let's see if I've got my personal email. Let's see. Not got an email as of now because this is the placeholder. So it is pending confirmation as per them because I have not confirmed it. Perfect. Right. So now, to use an external DynamoDB table with an application running in Elastic Beanstalk, we have to first create a DynamoDB table. Then we have to do it. So in the next step, we'll proceed with the DynamoDB table. So if you're liking this video, please join me in the next section. And if you have any comments, please mention in the feedback section. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.